بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Numerical questions. Now problem 5.1. Find the gravitational force of attraction between two spheres each of mass 1000 kg. The distance between the centers of the sphere is 0.5 meter. इधर हमें क्या दिया हुआ है, mass m1 और m2 दिया हुआ है, that is equal to 1000 kg. डिस्टेंस हमें दिया हुआ है d is equal to 0.5 मीटर. हमने फाइंड करना है ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स बिटवीन टू स्फीयर्स एंड दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय f. एंड फार्मूला जो हमारे पास है वो f is equal to g m1 m2 by d square. और by putting the value of gravitational constant and masses m1 m2 and d, we will get force is equal to 2.67 into 10 raised to power minus 4 Newton. Now problem 5.2. The gravitational force of attraction between two identical lead spheres kept at 1 meter apart is 0.006673 Newton. Find their masses. हमें given है gravitational force F 0.006673 न्यूटन और डिस्टेंस हमें दिया हुआ है 1 मीटर. टू फाइंड मास हमने फाइंड करने हैं m1 और m2. सेम फार्मूला लगेगा, F is equal to g m1 m2 divided by d square. By putting the value of force, gravitational constant and distance d, we will get m1 m2 is equal to 0.00673 into 1 square divided by 6.67 into 10 minus 11. And as m1 is equal to m2, by putting the value of this, we will get m1 whole square is equal to 5 into 10 raised to power 8 and m1 is equal to m2 5 into 10 raised to power 4 kg. Now problem 5.3. Find the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the mass. The mass of the Mars is 6.42 into 10 raised to power 23 kg and its radius is 3370 kilometer. हमें mass of Mars दिया हुआ है 6.42 into 10 raised to power 23 kg. रेडियस हमें दिया हुआ है 3370 किलोमीटर. ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन g हमने फाइंड करना है, तो इसके लिए फॉर्मूला है स्मॉल g इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल E, दैट इज ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट मल्टीप्लाई बाय मास डिवाइडेड बाय r स्क्वायर. By putting the value of gravitational constant, mass of the Mars and radius of Mars, we will get g is equal to 3.77 meter per second square. Now problem 5.4. The acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon is 5.62 meter per second square. The radius of the moon is 1740 kilometer. Find the mass of moon. Gravitational acceleration हमें दी हुई है 5.62 meter per second square. रेडियस हमें दिया है मून का 1740 किलोमीटर और हमने मास ऑफ मून फाइंड करना है. इधर जो फार्मूला लगेगा वो है g is equal to gm by r square. And by putting the value of gravitational acceleration and gravitational constant and radius, we will get mass is equal to 7.35 into 10 raised to power 22 kg. Now problem 5.5. Calculate the value of g at a height of 3600 km above the surface of the earth. Height above the surface of the earth हमें दी हुई है 3600 km, that is equal to 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. Mass of earth हमें दी हुई है 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Radius of earth हमें दी हुई है 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. Find हमने करना है gravitational acceleration g. फॉर्मूला जो इधर लगेगा वो g इज इक्वल टू जी एम बाई आर स्क्वायर और इधर r की जगह हम जो है वो पुट करेंगे r प्लस एच के स्क्वायर. By putting the value of gravitational constant, mass of the earth, radius of the earth and height above the surface of the earth, we will get g is equal to 4.002 meter per second square, and when we round it we will get g is equal to 4 meter per second square. Now problem 5.6. Find the value g due to earth at geostationary satellite. The radius of geostationary orbit is 48,700 kilometer. ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट हमें दिया हुआ है 6.67 इंटू 10 - 11 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर केजी स्क्वायर। मास ऑफ अर्थ हमें पता है वो है 6 इंटू 10⁻24 kg। रेडियस ऑफ सेटेलाइट 4800 किलोमीटर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 4.87 इंटू 10⁻7 मीटर। फाइंड हमने करने की ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन ड्यू टू अर्थ, दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय जी एच। G is equal to gm by r square, and by putting the value of g, m and r square, we will get G is equal to 0.168 meter per second square and G is equal to 0.17 meter per second square. Now problem 5.7. The value of G is 4.0 meter per second square at a distance of 10,000 km from the center of the earth. Find the mass of the earth. ग्रेविटेशनल कांस्टेंट जी हमें दी हुई है 6.67 इंटू 10 - 11 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर पर केजी स्क्वायर। ग्रेविटेशनल एक्सेलरेशन हमें दी हुई है 4 मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर। रेडियस हमें दिया हुआ है 10,000 किलोमीटर, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1 इंटू 10⁻7 मीटर। मैथ हमने फाइंड करना है तो सेम फॉर्मूला लगेगा जी इज इक्वल टू जी एम बाई आर स्क्वायर। By putting the value of gravitational acceleration, radius of the earth and gravitational constant, we will get mass is equal to 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Now problem 5.8. At what altitude the value of G would become 1/4 than on the surface of the earth. Gravitational constant 6.67 into 10 - 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Gravitational acceleration G 10 meter per second square, or gravitational acceleration at height gh is equal to g by 4 is equal to 10 by 4, and that is equal to 2.5 meter per second square. Mass of earth हमने find किया 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg, और radius of earth 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. To find height of satellite h हमने फाइंड करना है। इसके लिए जो फार्मूला है वो है जी एच इज इक्वल टू जी एम बाई आर स्क्वायर, और आर स्क्वायर की जगह हम लगाएंगे आर प्लस एच का स्क्वायर। In order to calculate the r plus h square, we will get g m divided by small g h, and r plus h will become under root g m by gh, and h हमने फाइंड करना है तो माइनस प्लस आर इधर है, उधर जाके हो जाएगा माइनस आर। And by putting the values of g, m and gravitational acceleration and radius of the earth, we will get h is equal to 6.9 into 10 raised to power 6 meters. मतलब इस वैल्यू पे आकर जो है, इस हाइट के ऊपर आकर जो है वो g हो जाएगा 1/4 than on the surface of earth. Now problem 5.9. A polar satellite is launched at 850 km above earth. Find its orbital speed. Gravitational constant G हमें दी हुई 6.67 into 10 - 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Mass of Earth हमें पता है 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Height of satellite 8.5 into 10 raised to power 5 meter. When we will convert 850 kilometer into meter, we will get 8.5 into 10 raised to power 5 meters. रेडियस ऑफ अर्थ हमें दिया हुआ है 6.4 इंटू 10 raised to power 6 मीटर। फाइंड हमने करनी ऑर्बिटल स्पीड ऑफ सैटेलाइट वी नॉट। फार्मूला जो इधर लगेगा वो है वी नॉट इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट जी एम बाई आर स्क्वायर, और आर स्क्वायर की जगह हम पुट कर देंगे आर प्लस एच का होल स्क्वायर, and f is equal to gmm by r plus h square. And also the magnitude of forces given by Newton's second law is equal to ma, and this is equal to centripetal force mv square by r. And by comparing both equation of forces mv square by r and gmm by r plus h whole square, we will get v is equal to under root gm by r, and r की जगह जो है हम पुट करेंगे r plus h का square. By putting the value of g, m and r plus h, we will get velocity 7429 meter per second. Now problem 5.10. A communication satellite is launched at 42,000 km above Earth. Find its orbital speed. Gravitational constant T 6.67 into 10 minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Mass of Earth has 6 into 10 raised to power 24 kg. Height of satellite H is equal to 4.2 into 10 raised to power 7 meter. Radius of Earth है 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 meter. ऑर्बिटल स्पीड v नॉट हमने फाइंड करनी है. सेम फार्मूला लगेगा कि v नॉट इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट वी एम बाई आर प्लस एच के स्क्वेयर and v naught is equal to under root 6.67 into 10 minus 11 into 6 into 10 raised to power 24 divided by 6.4 into 10 raised to power 6 plus 4.2 into 10 raised to power 7 ka whole square, and we will get orbital velocity is equal to 2876 meter per second. Now that's all about numerical problems of chapter 5 physics class 9 federal board. Thanks for watching my videos. Please share my videos and like my videos and press the bell icon for the subscription in order to get the notification for all the videos which will be uploaded in future. Take care. Allah Hafiz.